up YouTube? Today I'll be showing you guys how to change your brake light bulbs or brake light assembly on this 2006 Hummer H3 3.5 liters. Simple hand tools you need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Believe it or not, this assembly is only held with 2 screws and 2 clips on the side. The first one is at the bottom and the second screw is on top. Go ahead and unscrew the 2 screws I showed you guys earlier. One at the bottom, one on top, and once you're done with that, make sure you pull towards you because there's 2 clips on the side that's holding it together. Brought you guys around so you guys can see the clips I was talking about. Once you get them off, and once you broke everything free from the side clips, as you can see, this is your brake lights and your reverse lights. What you do now is turn counterclockwise and there's your bulb. Always make sure to wear gloves when you're replacing your bulbs, because the oil, the grease that's coming out of your finger can actually make them burn out prematurely. And that's pretty much it. Plain simple. If you want to replace your bulb or you want to replace your tail light assembly, it's the same process. So easy. And once you're done, just pretty much put everything back where it was, how you took it off. So basically do reverse on everything, you'll be fine. Sleepless night.